Okay, students, this is Mrs. DeWalshy, and I'm going to go through the process with you on choosing your MYP project mentor. So you're going to get access to this Burbank teacher bio sheet. It's alphabetical by teacher. What's important to know is the group that your teacher is in. You'll need that information later, but you can read through the bios. And if something strikes your interest, and it may be based on what you might be wanting to do for your project, you should probably choose that teacher. So say, for example, that you think you might want to do a project that involves coding or writing an application or something like that. So you will notice that Mr. Barcinez teaches programming and his interests are coding, that kind of thing. So he might be the teacher you want to work with. So you'll need to make sure that you remember that his name is Barcinez and that his group is Kate. That's going to be important later. So once you have figured out which teacher, I would probably go ahead and have a couple of choices, because once a teacher has been chosen 5 times, their name will disappear off the choice list. So now that you have the teacher, you're going to be going to a Google form that looks like this. Go ahead and zoom in a little bit. And you're going to type your first and last name, and then your student ID number, and then what your general topic is. I want to learn how to write code and whatever. You could be as specific as you want. Now, this is where it's important that you noticed what group they're in. So Mr. Barcinez is a Kate teacher, so you need to choose that because his name is only going to be on the Kate teacher list. So I'm going to click next. Okay, and this is where you would choose Mr. Barcinez as your teacher. And then once you're done, you're going to click submit. And you need to be careful because you only get one chance to submit this. You will not get the chance to do this again. So make sure you're sure of your choice before you submit. When you're done, you click that and your response has been recorded. So you are good to go. You'll be notified if you got your choice later on during the school year. But this is the process for selecting the teacher that you want to be for your MYP project mentor.